Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach about what is white box testing. It is also known as clear box testing, glass box testing, transparent box testing, and structural box testing. In black box testing, we are sending the input values and we are checking the output value, whether it is working as expected or not. But in white box testing, we are checking the internal structure of the application. We are checking internal code of the application. That is why it is called white box testing. So white box testing is a method of software testing that tests the internal structure or working of an application. What kind of internal code the developer has used in that application, what kind of control statement they have used, what kind of logic, data structure, algorithm they have used, what kind of architecture they have used. Everything has been tested in white box testing. White box testing can be done at unit level of software testing process. What is the meaning of that? So when developer has done a small module of development, so they will be checking the internal code of that application. Okay, so they will be checking each and every control statement, each and every algorithm, data structure, logic. They will be testing by doing unit testing. These are various type of top white box testing tools. You can remember few of the examples because this type of questions interview will be asking, and also this kind of questions will come in your competitive exam. So Bera code, CPP unit, N unit, Pi unit, STM unit. These are few examples of your white box testing tools. While during white box testing, these are different test design techniques: control flow testing, data flow testing, branch testing, statement testing, decision coverage, path testing. Okay, so these are various white box test design techniques. What is control flow testing? During control flow testing, you have to test each and every control statement, do statement, while statement, do while statement, every control statement you have to test it during white box testing. Then you have to check the data flow. Like what are the data flow you have? You have, let's say you have different data like string data, variable data, integer type of data. These are different data. So you will be checking how your variables are flowing from one branch to another branch. So how the line of statement is working. So these things will be performing in data flow testing. Then coming to the branch testing, you will be having multiple branches when you are designing any code. You will be having some conditional branch, you will be having some main branch. So you will be checking your code across all the branches as part of branch testing. In statement testing, you will be having multiple statements will be there. Like I told you, if else statement will be there, while statement will be there, break statement will be there, switch statement will be there. All these statements line by line you will be doing across your white box testing. Then there will be multiple decision tables will be there. So those things will be covered as part of decision coverage. Then coming to the path testing, as I told, right, you will be having multiple paths will be there. So you will be checking how the code is flowing from one path to another path. So all these things can be covered as part of path testing. So this is all about white box testing. If you have any further queries about white box testing, please feel free to ask me. You can put your questions in my comment section. I'll be happy to help you all your queries. Thank you.